guys, this is Christina here and you're watching Parancham YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe, alright, and make sure you ting the little bell up there so that every time I make a video upload and you'll get it first, alright. And if you like my video, comment down below. All the links are down below, so if you want to support the channel, you can always get into Patreon, or maybe just share it to your friends, whatever. All right, so let's get to the TA now. I am expecting that the market, I'm still expecting to my target. You see when I pull the fib right here, right, from here to here, right, you see that it hasn't really reached my target. I was looking for maybe 39,400-ish, but apparently it hasn't really reached my target. So I am a little bit worried. I am a little bit cautious, but at the same time, I am a little bit realistic, which means that, as you can see, we have this bull flag, sorry. We have this bull flag, and I want to bring attention to this right here. But before that, I'm gonna let you guys take a look on this 4-hour time frame MACD. Okay, as you can see, we already crossed up. We have the bull divergence, and we close above the EMA. It's extremely bullish news. If you look at the 6-hour time frame, we kind of rejected on the EMA 7. Now it is at support, and we have already crossed up. So all the indicators are saying that we most likely is going up, right? But at the same time, I want to point out that although it looks like it's done, right, but in my opinion, I still think that there's one more leg down. Here's the thing. If the indicator are saying it's going up, but then the Elliot Wave is saying it's going down, or maybe it's not complete, so basically I won't take any trades because I still think that the market is not yet done. And every time that we think that the market hasn't done, okay, it always kind of like come back and hit you. Basically what I'm saying, you know that it's not done, but then you still tell yourself to get into trade, and then you hit stop loss, and it eventually goes to your entry, but you already lost some of your money because you basically gone against your TA. All right, so what exactly I am looking right now here is actually something like this. Okay, we had the shuffle, we have the down, right, and now I'm expecting some kind of a shuffle and then one more last leg down like that. You could say that it's a fractal, but it's just an Elliot Wave Prespective. Let's be realistic, all right? Let's not look at indicators right now at the moment, okay? Just take a look here, all right? So I'm expecting a dodgy here on the 4-hour time frame. We didn't get it, so might not gonna happen, right? But it could be reversing already. But I'm watching out. Okay, now let's pull a fib trend, right? Over here and here and here. As you can see, we have not reached the 2618. All right, we barely reached the 2618. I mean, how often that the market just like truncated a few $100s? I don't buy it, right? So I'm telling you that I am absolutely bullish, but I just think that this is not done yet. All right, it's just my perspective. You guys don't have to listen to me. It's not a financial advice. It always is not have been. But if you believe Panacham, and you will know that I'm probably right most of the time, or maybe I'm wrong. But anyway, I'm expecting that this is the third wave finished, and now we're heading up for the fourth wave, and also we have the fifth wave down and complete the structure like this. So what happened, guys? And it's gonna touch my, it's gonna take quite some time here, and then it's gonna hit my 1-to-1. Okay, so what exactly is gonna happen here? So we might be getting some kind of an A, B, C, D, E, like that, a triangle probably, most likely, yeah. Okay, and then we're gonna reach my target right here. I'm gonna label it red, and then I'm gonna remove it. Let's measure up. Let's see where the fourth wave might be heading. I'm gonna measure from the top to the from the top to the bottom, and I'm expecting, oh, it's quite high, guys. It's quite high. So I'm expecting the market gonna shuffle quite some time here, to the 382, like that. All right. So, will I be shorting the market? Most probably will, because I believe this count, and I think that it might play out. Although that, it could be in a triangle, or it could be in like a bull flag as well, whatever. As long as it stay inside the mid channel, we are still looking for another leg down. Although the market is saying that it's going up, I still think that it's not done. I just think that it's not done. If it's done, it will do something like this, like a really huge wake up, and you just, it's just gonna be impulsive. But for now, I don't see it, and I don't feel like it. I just think that the market is just trying to correct here, and meanwhile it corrects here, of course alt's gonna moon, some of them gonna moon, right? But then the target is remain at this bottom here, so I'm expecting the market to pull back to this area here before going up. So basically indicator is showing up, so I'm going to chart it as it goes up, but then I'm expecting a rejection at the 382 around 48,799, and going back down and reach my 1-to-1, which I pull, which is an equalizer as this one. It looks much better if it's like that, coming back down here instead, finished like that. I just think that it's too easy. It's way too easy. People just pull the channel and they think, oh, it's done, it hits the channel, it's gonna pump. No, it's gonna make another drop before going back up. That's how it works. And eventually you're gonna see some kind of a wedge like this. Yeah, it looks better like that. Okay, so eventually you're gonna see something like this, yeah, in my opinion. All right, so before you guys switching so bullish, make sure you know that what you're trading at. Of course, I am bullish, but at the same time, I feel like the market should correct and then make another drop to my target, which is 650. All right, it should hit that target at least. If not, it's just, I mean, it just doesn't make sense for me. I want it to go there. That's all. So, at the moment, I think that's about it on this update. It's gonna be quite simple. All right. So I'll talk to you guys later on the next video. Make sure to subscribe. And my son is crying. Later.